how to block someone in Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can block someone in Meta Business Suite. Blocking someone in Meta Business Suite helps you manage interactions and maintain a positive online environment. So once you are logged in into your Meta Business Suite account, you'll be brought to your home page where you can see your account and all of that. Then once you can see this, the next thing to do is to move to the bottom left corner and click on your settings option. After clicking on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, move to the left side of the screen as well, and then scroll down until you can see privacy. Alright. So you will see that all of amongst the options displayed there, you cannot see privacy, right? Since that's the case, next that you have to do, that you can do, is by moving to the left side of the screen and then clicking on your inbox option. After clicking on inbox, you'll then be brought to the page where you would see all of your chats. Alright, yours could be more than this depending on the number of messages that you've received. And then the next thing to do is to now locate the person that you'd like to block from your page. Alright, ensure you've selected a messenger since you're trying to work with your Facebook. I don't have any contacts under or messages under my messenger, so I'll make use of the all messages tab. But ensure you select messenger, right, so that you can be sure that it's your Facebook page that you are working with. So after selecting messenger, select the contacts that you would like to block. Then after selecting the contacts, you can see by the left side details about the contacts would be displayed, and then move to the top right side where you can see the more option button. Once you can see it, click on it. Then you can see options like block and report. Just go ahead and click on block, and then just like that, that person would be blocked in your Meta Business Suite account. It now applies to other contacts of yours. So this is how it works. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good day.